everyone. So I have been showing candle rituals. So today I thought why not bring in a tarot spell with candles, a small way of bringing in customers or bringing in customers for my business, like whatever business you're in, for that to bring in. Usually candles on in itself very powerful when you do rituals, but here when you add tarot cards, it works more beautifully and it gives its own energies. Now, should I use the tarot cards which I use for my reading? Absolutely no, you cannot use it. You will have to either take a printout, color printout of the tarot cards and cut it into small pieces and keep it in front, or you can keep a separate tarot card for your spells and use only that, and once the spell is over you remove those cards. Other than that, you cannot use the ones which you are using for reading because energies will differ. So I am doing for a client. There are two clients basically, but I am doing two separate, and I am keeping one cross here, and mainly because they are partners in the business, so that is the reason. Both of them wanted in for them respectively, but again they I'm not taking a couple candle here because I believe individual energies matter the most. So what I use is, I use my customer attraction oil and I use my road opener powder, and I also usually add little bit of honey when I'm using it, so that is why the honey is kept there. So and what is the cards that I use, I will also show you that. And when can I do this? What I am going to do is, I do this on full moons and new moons for the client. You can do it on every Friday also. You can also do it on every say Sunday, if you feel Sunday is the best day. Some people use Sundays as a day for these things to manifest. I prefer doing it on Friday, so I will be doing it on a Friday. I always use fresh honey. So in fact, I think many of you would not have seen me using honey in my ritual. This is the first time you'll be seeing me. Not much, just a drop honey, basically to make the spell little more powerful, and also to business to become sweet and business to become successful. In fact, I still remember I had started my candles, my experience in candles, with taking a green candle, a normal green candle, and I used to apply honey in it, and I used to use cinnamon powder, because in those days, I'm talking 14 years back to be very specific, there were no figurine candles in India. I was also not making candles, and I didn't know from where to procure, and I had to pick candles from abroad. And in those days there were no one who was making also good candles in India. So actually that is also one reason why I started making my own candles later. So what I started my journey as, I took a plain green candle and I applied honey on it, because green candle was easily available in provision stores. I applied honey and I sprinkled cinnamon powder. It worked wonders. It did magic. So that's the reason I'm telling you all that. And now the road opener powder I'm using. You can also use money powder. You can use customer attraction powder also. All these powders are not that simple. Grind a little bit of cinnamon and orange and sprinkle it on this, and it is done. The herb is done. That doesn't mean my customer attraction powder has only these two ingredients. To be very specific, mine has more ingredients. But many people who think that at this point we cannot spend so much, then it is for them. Okay, so now I have kept these two with the cross in between. Okay, now if you see here, the male and the female have been kept. Certain cards I will be using here. I want to show you all. Ace of coins representing money. Three of wands, I don't know how far it's there. If you see, the person is climbing, the girl is climbing. So I'm intending that they are climbing in their business, they are growing in the business. So the three of wands, and the sun card. Why I particularly like this sun card? Because it also reminds me of the Egyptian god Thoth. And actually, if you see here, I really love the energies here, because many of you know that I'm also bringing in Egyptian magic. So in that ways I connect with them more, and it works wonders. So in what order we keep? Ace of coins, three of wands, and the sun. Why in this order? Ace of coins, basically money coming with the blessings of the divine. Three of wands, I am growing and growing and growing in my business. Here when I say I just said the names inside because I don't want to tell it louder. So they are growing in their business, upper and upper and upper, with a lot of clients, with a lot of name, fame and success. And the business is becoming brighter, and the business is becoming powerful, because for me, sun is powerful. So first what I will do is, I will burn the candles. So here, I'm going to burn the candles first. You can burn any order. You can burn the female first and then the male also. But I wanted to burn the male first, so that's the reason I burnt that candle first. Okay, now I've burnt the female. Now the last one will be cross. I have said in all my videos, I love using cross candles, but with the herbs and not without the herbs. And why I prefer cross? Because it removes the obstacles and it brings in opportunities. And because they want customers to come, the obstacles have to go and opportunities have to come. So for that, we definitely need to work on the cross. In fact, I even love adding cat, wolf and everything, but I don't know, because it's a tarot spell. I'm not bringing all that, because here we will focus mainly on the energies of the tarot cards to happen. You can do one more thing. Actually, one more best way what you can do is, you can do this ritual for 5 Sundays or 5 Fridays, and at the end of the 5th Friday, you can give these cards to the client, asking them to keep it in their shop or carry it with them, or keep it in the southeast corner of their workplace. You can do that. You can also add in a clear quartz, not this, maybe pointers. You can use a tumble. You can give a clear quartz. You can use a small pyrite. This is quite a big chunk. You can give a pyrite. Now, if you're going to give them all these things, then what you will do is, in front of the candle, I would suggest keep a clear quartz, keep a pyrite. Again, I'm saying tumbles, not the big ones, and a green aventure. This is a beautiful combo actually, which you can keep. Do it for 5 weeks. So take printouts, take color printouts. Put it in a small mojo bag. Again, here the mojo bag will be green color mojo bag or a golden color mojo bag, not any other color mojo bags. You will put these 3 cards, you will put the tumbles and give them, and you will ask them to either carry it with them, keep it in their workplace, or in the southeast corner of the room where they are sleeping. But now again, in this case, I will not be giving them this. That was the reason I didn't keep. But if in your case, if you're doing individual partners or individual clients, then you can make this and give. And again, if you're doing for partners and if they're not married, then what you should do is you should keep 2 cards and 2 tumbles, and then you can do. One more thing before I forget. Now we are going to take color printouts, right? We are not going to use our cards. So behind the card, Ace of Coins, you can write the client's name. Behind the 3 of Wands, you can write the company's name, or in what name they are running their business. Now, if the client is running in her own name, for example, she's a tarot reader, she's just saying as X tarot reader. So then again, the same name what is in the Ace of Coins will come. Again, in the sun, you will write the client's name for whom you're doing. You can add your switch words, you can add your the numbers, what they add, anything, whatever you want to feel like, you can add all that also. But this on the whole is a ritual which you can do, that they attract customers, and it actually works beautifully. Use the tarot cards and see. So it's I think first time I'm bringing in a tarot spell. I don't know, I'm not sure. I've been bringing in so many videos in YouTube. But if you all like it, then leave a comment that you would love to see me bringing in more such simple tarot spells. And if you want me to bring tarot spells with normal candles, I would love to bring, but I want to hear it from your mouths, and not that I do it on my own. So like the channel, share the video, not the channel, sorry. Do subscribe, click the bell icon so that you know whenever I come live. And do try this. It's a beautiful thing which you can do. Now, because I said for the plain candles, cross candle will be there for this, but you can represent the people with a plain yellow figure in also, and you can try. So hope you loved it, and do try it. It's an amazing, powerful tarot spell, and do let me know what energies or what changes you saw after doing this for 5 Fridays or 5 Sundays. God bless. Thank you.